Are you wanting a home with some of the best hill views you can find in all of Santa Clara County by Communications Hills? Look no further because we have an exceptional opportunity waiting for you at 2360 Plateau Drive in San Jose. My name is Spencer Hsu, and I'm a real estate agent in the Bay Area. We have helped over 250 families in the last 5 years with their moves. So if this home is of interest to you or any of your friends, get them in touch with us. Let's take a closer look right now. This is an end unit home, which means much more privacy, but a lot more guest parking available on the streets. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2513 square feet of living space, this is one of the largest and most affordable you can find on a price per square foot basis in this area. What's amazing of this home is multiple levels that have views of the hills. For those that follow Vastu Shastra or Feng Shui, this home is a north-facing home, which means you're gonna love the natural light that comes in and the energy of this home. The remodeled kitchen is perfect for those at-home chefs. Top that off with newer kitchen appliances that have been updated throughout the years. Because of the multi-level nature of the home, you have a lot of privacy with an ensuite bedroom and bathroom, along with this whole family room that will be perfect for guests or for your friends and family. But make no mistake, you still got a wonderful deck that wraps around the edge there so that you can grow your own plants. Even this view on the bottom level still has incredible views of the hills. What's also great about this level is that they already have speakers built into the ceiling of the ground level. On the third level, we have 3 bedrooms. In the primary, you're gonna be able to enjoy the best of the views, and you're gonna love all this attention to detail when it comes to the primary bathroom. Make no mistake, one of the best things about newer homes is you're gonna have a large walk-in closet. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this your new home sweet home. Contact us today to schedule a private showing and discover the endless possibilities that await you in this incredible, quiet San Jose neighborhood. This is not gonna last for long. And if you're on the hunt for more incredible properties like this, you gotta be sure to check out our other playlist of stunning homes in the Bay Area and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest listings. Thanks for watching.